In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple issues in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive straight into the process. First things first, you need to log into your Jira account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, make sure to navigate to the home screen where you'll see all your projects listed. This is your hub for managing tasks and tracking progress. Next, you'll want to click on the project where you intend to create issues. Once you've selected your project, look for the backlog option. This is where you can see all your existing tasks, along with the ones you will create. After you've accessed the backlog, you're ready to start creating issues. Click the Create button. This is usually prominently displayed on your screen. When you click this, a new issue form will open. It's time to give a name to your issue. Try to be clear and concise in your description. It's crucial that anyone reading it can understand at a glance what the issue is about. Once you've filled in the name, go ahead and click on Create to save the first issue. To create multiple issues, you'll repeat the previous steps for each new task. Click the Create button again after you've named your first issue, and you'll be presented with a new form. Enter the next name for your issue and click on Create once more. Continue this process, filling out each issue one at a time. Keeping your issue names consistent and descriptive will help you and your team keep track of everything more efficiently. After several iterations, there might be times when you need to go back and edit an issue. In such cases, navigating to the backlog, finding the specific issue, and selecting it will allow you to make necessary adjustments, like updating the name or changing its priority level. As you progress, you might find it useful to categorize your issues by utilizing labels or priority settings. This makes managing tasks easier and helps in organizing the workflow efficiently. If you are collaborating with a team, ensure everyone understands how to use these features for maximum productivity. Creating multiple issues in Jira may seem tedious at first, but the more you do it, the more comfortable you will become. And remember, each time you create an issue, you're moving closer to tracking your project's needs and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. So let's review the key steps. First, log into your Jira account, navigate to your projects, select the appropriate project, and go into the backlog. Click on Create, fill out your issue information, and repeat the process for all the issues you want to add. Stay organized and keep track of what you've created. If you ever feel stuck or overwhelmed, remember that Jira has a lot of resources to assist users. You can easily find guides or community forums where others share their insights. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to create multiple issues in Jira. I hope you found this video helpful and that it makes your project management tasks a little easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and happy managing.